Hello students, now in this session I will start from question number 9 of exercise 3.2 playing with numbers. So let's read out this question number 9. Write 7 consecutive composite numbers. So we have to write 7 consecutive composite number in such a way those composite numbers should be less than 100, and you have to write those 7 consecutive number which are less than 100 in which there should be no prime number in between. Fine. So I'm going to write you to give you the answer for this. So the answer would be 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95 and 96. So how many consecutive numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 consecutive numbers. So these are all consecutive numbers, one after another, and they are all composite numbers. You will find no other consecutive numbers as combination of 7 consecutive numbers in which you will not get prime numbers. So you see, if you carefully observe this, these are all the composite numbers. So we don't have any prime numbers in between. But if you really see the other combinations, you will always find that one of the prime numbers will be in between or the composite numbers. So this is a required answer, students. So these are the 7 consecutive composite number less than 100, and also no prime numbers is between them. Right? So let's move on to sum number 10. This is sum number 10, students. So in question number 10, we have to express each of the following numbers as the sum of 3 odd primes. Odd primes, we know that it starts from where? 3. So what are the prime numbers we know? 2, 3, 5, 7. So we cannot take 2 as our odd prime number because it is an even prime number. So we can cancel this number. So again we'll do the same thing, okay? So this time we have to write 3 odd primes. So I'm just giving you the answer for the first one, that is 21. It would be 3, 7 and then 11. Okay, so if these are all the odd prime numbers, odd numbers as well as those are prime numbers. In the same way, you have to go for 31, 53 and 61. So 31 would be, again I will write here 3. Now this time here would be 11 and the last one would be 17. 53 would be 13. Then it would be 17. It is just how you have to check it. You have to just go for the combination. So I'm making your work a little easier. Okay, but when this type of sums will come in an examination, students, then you have to just go for the combinations. It is a little bit of time taking, but not that tough. Okay, 13, 17 and 23. There is no such hardened rule is there. Okay, so you just have to go for the combination, right combination. So 61 is 19, 29 and 13. So this is a solution of sum number 10, students. So now let's move on to sum number 11. This is sum number 11, boys. So in 11, what we have to do? We have to write 5 pairs of prime numbers. Okay, now we have to write 5 pairs of prime numbers that has to be less than 20. Okay, fine. Whose sum is divisible by 5. Now let's write down all the prime numbers less than 20 first. So prime numbers less than 20. Okay, so those are 2, 3, 5, 7, then 11, then 13, then 17 and 19. So these are all the prime numbers. Fine. Now from here we have to go for 5 pairs. 5 pairs whose sum would be divisible by 5. So the first example I would like to give you is, the first pair is 2. If I take 2 plus 3, yes, 2 plus 3, that will give you 5. So this sum is divisible by 5, isn't it? The sum of 2 prime numbers whose sum is what? 5 is divisible by 5, isn't it? Now let's go for the second pair. Now if I take 3, now 3 plus 7 will give you what? Because 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 is not divisible by 5. But if I do 3 plus 7, we'll get 10, isn't it? Now 10 is again divisible by 5, that is 5 2s are 10. Now let's go for another number. If we keep 3 as an intact, Now if I take again 3 and if I add 3 with 17, 3 with 17, what should I get? 20. So 20 is again divisible by 5. So this is the first pair, that is 2 and 3. Second pair 3 and 7. Third pair 3 and 17. More 2 we have to write. So number 4 pair. Number 4 pair will be what? So if I take 2 and 13, isn't it? So 2 plus 13 is what? 15, isn't it? So 15 is divisible by 5. And let's go for the last pair. Last pair will be what? Any number you're getting, boys? 7 plus 19, no. 11 plus, no, we're not getting anything. So 3 plus 5, no, we are not getting. Okay, then we'll take 5 plus 5. 5 plus, they have not mentioned that we cannot repeat the number, isn't it? Is there anywhere where they have written we cannot repeat the number? No, they have not taken, but they have asked we can go for the pair. So pair could be similar also. So if I add 5 and 5, then what will happen? 10, isn't it? So 10 is also divisible by 5. So these are all the required 5 pairs which are less than 20 and the sum is exactly divisible by 5. Okay, so that's it for today, and sum number 12 would be your homework, students. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you all. Stay blessed and take care.